Are you tired of waking up multiple times each night to use the bathroom? Imagine sleeping through the night without interruption. Today I'm going to show you how to eliminate nocturia once and for all. Frequent urination at night, known as nocturia, can be a major disruptor of your sleep. It's frustrating when you just want to rest, yet find yourself getting up 2, 3, or even 10 times a night, as one patient once shared with me. But don't worry, understanding the underlying mechanism can help you resolve this issue without medication. Nocturia is a common condition that affects both men and women. While it may seem like a bladder issue, that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's a symptom of a deeper problem. When you're waking up at night, not only are you losing sleep, but you're also setting yourself up for fatigue the next day, leading to cravings for carbs and even mood swings. The cycle continues, affecting your cognitive function and memory. You might hear that it's caused by conditions like UTIs, kidney stones, or enlarged prostates. However, the real culprit often lies elsewhere. You might have been told that an enlarged prostate is to blame. But here's the truth. Treating the prostate doesn't necessarily alleviate nocturia. Additionally, while high testosterone is often linked to prostate issues, testosterone levels actually decrease with age, while prostate problems increase. Confused? You're not alone. Diabetes is a significant factor in nocturia. Those with diabetes frequently experience urinary frequency due to high levels of sugar and insulin. In fact, studies on dogs have shown that administering insulin leads to increased urination. Insulin inhibits adrenal hormones that help retain fluid, leading to more trips to the bathroom. What many don't realize is that high insulin levels are often overlooked during medical assessments. Doctors check blood sugars but rarely perform a fasting insulin test. High insulin is a precursor to prediabetes and is frequently found in those with metabolic syndrome, characterized by fatigue, high blood pressure, and more. So, what's the root cause of elevated insulin levels before bed? It's snacking. Eating, particularly high-carb snacks, spikes your insulin. Even low-carb snacks can contribute. If you're eating late at night, your insulin levels remain high, and combined with extra fluid intake, this leads to nocturia. Here's what you need to do to conquer nocturia. 1. Stop snacking at night. Move any snacks to earlier in the evening and aim to finish eating by 6:30 p.m. 2. Limit fluid intake. Avoid drinking anything after 6:30 p.m. Stay hydrated during the day but reduce intake at night. 3. Adopt a low-carb diet. Cut your carb intake to less than 30 grams per day, which aligns with a ketogenic diet. 4. Incorporate intermittent fasting. This will further help regulate your insulin levels. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy restful nights without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.